かりがぼやけてる理解できぬ何も見えぬ静かな
I'm tired out of New York City. I'm over how it moves so slow. Since summertime when you were with me. Now I got nowhere left to go. I can enjoy a coffee at the downstairs diner, cause everybody knows you too. And now the fall is turning all the leaves much brighter. The girls are all just dressing like you. Brown hair, black jeans, and sneakers that they bought last time. You're everywhere, like a bad dream, wearing all the clothes that made me wanna throw up. You didn't really care about the mess you made, and I don't really care about the blowback, cause you're not keeping track of all the things I take. So I took all your sweaters from your coat rack. I hope you have a nice long winter without me. Hope it is the coldest that we've ever seen. I know I'm not the breakup winner, but I'll be warm inside your cave on its own bigger street. It's snowing on a rooftop party. I'm smoking on the fire escape. I felt a couple blue eyes on me, but glad I never caught your face. Just your brown hair, black jeans, and sneakers that you bought last time. You're everywhere, like a bad dream, wearing all the clothes that made me wanna throw up. You didn't really care about the mess you made, and I don't really care about the blowback, cause you're not keeping track of all the things I take. So I took all your sweaters from your coat rack. I hope you have a nice long winter without me. Hope it is the coldest that we've ever seen. I know I'm not the breakup winner, but I'll be warm inside your cave on its own bigger street.
see a lot of open arena drums.
amazement. Sounds unbelievable to have him out here on the deck.
With an interesting face.
Check this out, Harry Mick. Harry Mick comes out with Mick. Instagram news. Check it out. Beyond time, and he got praise. Now why do they?